Okay, so what is the deal with all of these new platforms, right? We've got TikTok, we've got Clubhouse, we've got now Instagram Reels. How do we navigate where we should be spending our time and how to use these platforms to actually grow our business? That's the big question. And this is exactly what I am talking about today. Welcome to episode 249. My name's Tanya Aliza, and I help you grow your business and grow your brand and grow your influence, all using social media. And if you're new to the channel, get subscribed and make sure to click the bell to get notified because I release a brand new episode and free resource for you and your business each and every week. So I have a thought-provoking question for you. Think about this for a minute. Are you looking for vanity metrics that make you feel good when you go to sleep at night? How many views, how many likes, how many comments? Because I believe those are all vanity metrics. Or are you actually looking for, as a business and an entrepreneur, are you looking for real business results, leads, sales, profits? Now, I'm going to automatically assume because you are here, you are looking for business growth, and you should be. Or if you're anything like me and you like to live in an and world, not an or world, you want this and this, not this or this, right? We live in an and world. You want both. You want the engagement, right? You want the vanity metrics because that just makes you feel good, right? And you want the business growth. Now, I want you to have consistent and profitable results, just like I have in my business. Now, to do that though, you need to be putting out the effort of consistent, profitable activities. And these activities are what are going to drive profits. We call these profit-producing activities. Now, these are activities that are known to drive sales. And when you're on social media, this is purpose-driven content, whatever the platform that you might be on. So let's dive in. So here's my take on all of these new platforms that are coming out and exactly how I'm personally navigating these new platforms coming alive in my world and deciding like, where do I spend my time? Because for me, I'm very protective of my time. I like my time. There's not enough time in the day to do everything that we want to do. And I don't want to be spending 24 hours a day, 7 days a week working on my business. The reason why I'm doing my business is so that I can have a life. So the activities that I choose in my business are very important and they have to be the right activities that drive sales. So with these new platforms like TikTok, with Clubhouse, and we have, Instagram Reels, and then all the other new things that are going to come following that. Really, you have to understand that when you are on these platforms and you are putting content out there, is this content that's going to get you positive brand awareness? And is this content designed to actually drive leads and sales for your business? And do you have a way to capture the attention and the audience and bring those people into your world so that you can follow up with them when it comes to your product, service, or business? Now, if you really think about that, I want you to ask yourself, okay, all these platforms that are out there, if people are telling me to go on TikTok or people are telling me to do a Clubhouse or whatever, do I have a way that when I go there and I get the views, that I'm turning those views into leads for my business, and I'm able to bring the attention from the social media platform that I don't own and control into a world that I do own and control. So we'll elaborate on that. So for example, if you're on TikTok doing the dances or, I know that TikTok is a very highly engaged place right now, and people are getting tons of views and going viral very easily on TikTok. Personally, I haven't dove into the world of TikTok. Don't yell at me. Don't go crazy in the comments and say, I have to be on TikTok. I don't have to be on TikTok. I have found my lane and I'm staying in my lane, which I recommend that you do the same thing. And I don't feel that I have to be absolutely everywhere. I just have to be in a couple of places really, and I have to be in those places in a really well-fashioned manner and be very consistent. So I've chosen other areas. However, if you're a TikTok person and that's your jam, that's totally cool. You have the opportunity to get a lot of views and go viral if you produce some really great TikTok worthy stuff. And so my question to you again though is when you're doing these viral videos or whatever you're doing, do you have a way to capture the information? Are you leading them into your email list or getting them on, giving them a freebie so that they can go, yes, I want to be in this person's world, and they're not just a view and then gone to the next video, a view, gone to the next video. Or on Clubhouse, a listen and gone to the next Clubhouse room. Or on Instagram Reels, your reel is done, it counted as a view for you, and then now they're on to the next reel, or their attention is gone. You're like, oh my gosh, I got all these views, I must be so popular. But then you're like, wait a minute, like my bank account doesn't reflect all of these views that I'm getting. So I want it to, though. I want you to be able to capitalize on all of those things. So something that I definitely 100% recommend doing, and I've been doing this for the last 10 years in my business, created a multiple 7-figure brand and business doing this, is making sure that wherever you are on these platforms, make sure that you have some sort of freebie that you can give people where they have to give you their name and email and get on your email list so that you can follow up with them. And it actually segments people just watching to people who are interested. So the people that are interested from watching your reels or TikToks or listening to your Clubhouse talk, if they're interested in that topic and they want to dive deeper with you, you have to give them an opportunity to do so, which is a call to action to get on your email list. Now, here's the thing. Not everybody just gets on an email list for no reason. In fact, nobody gets on email lists for no reasons. You have to have a reason for them to get on your email list. And that reason is you are going to provide them with value. What I've been doing over the last almost 10 years in my business now is leading with freebies. And you guys know, if you tune in every week, I give out freebies to get people into my world so that we don't miss the opportunity to engage and have a relationship and to see if I can help people with my products and with my services. You should be doing the same thing. Now, a question that I get asked all the time is, Tanya, well, how do I do that, right? What do I offer for free? And I've got a freebie for you that will absolutely show you how to do this and give you really good ideas on what you can do based on whatever niche or whatever profession or whatever industry that you might be in. It doesn't matter. This will work for anything that you sell, services or products related. So I have a freebie that you can go and pick up on my blog at TanyaAliza.com/249. I'll leave a link in the description area of where you're watching this video, and you can click the link, you can go to the blog, you'll see this video on the blog, and then right below the video, you'll see a big yellow button that you can click and request access to my 20 giveaway ideas that will help you build your list and bring your social media into your world, bring your viewers into your world, at least the people that are interested in being more in your world and learning more and diving deeper with you. Wherever you are, if it's TikTok, if it's the Reels, keeping it real on the Reels, if it's Clubhouse, you've got to have a way to maximize your efforts on that platform. Otherwise, what you just get is a vanity metric of a like or a view, and that does not always equate to the most in your bank account. And listen, we're all entrepreneurs. We're all business owners here. The main goal is to build our bottom line, because if we don't build our bottom line, our business is dead in the water, and I don't want that to be you. So it's cool that you're on all these new platforms, but whatever the platform is that you decide to be on, pick one and get really good at that one platform, own it, master it. But wherever that is, make sure that you're turning your viewers into leads and sales for your business. This is one of the best ways that you can do that. Lately, I have been extraordinarily passionate about teaching people how to build their email list, how to build their list off of social media, because we never know where those social media channels are going to be in a year from now, in 2 years from now. And if you only build up all of your content and all of your following on those social media channels, and if something happens and you never brought those people, that audience, onto your own email list, then where's all those people and all those views going to be when that happens? And I don't want that to be you. So I want you to gain the most leads and sales for your business. So hop over to the blog and get some really good ideas on how to do this with my 20 giveaway ideas that you can use in whatever niche or business that you're in. You can go to TanyaAliza.com/249. I'll leave a link in the description area where you're watching this video, and you can pick up that freebie. And I think you're really, really, really going to love it. All right, beautiful people, it is that time of the show where I have a champagne moment highlight of the week. What I do is I take one of our valued community online family members who have left me an amazing comment on any of my channels, wherever you might be. We look at all of them, and I give you a shout out here on the show. So today, I want to recognize Saylin Doyle. Saylin actually wrote this in one of my Facebook groups. She says, guess what? I got my first sale today. This video is calm compared to how excited I was when I saw the email of my first purchase. I started this journey in the free boot camp, worked on the homework every single day, and launched my course this morning. If you have not done the homework, do it today because this info is gold. Thank you, Tanya Aliza, for being a rock star and sharing this with us. Saylin, I am so excited to cheers to you and your success. This is what happens when you actually take content that you're actually investing in with time or with money. It doesn't matter. I've got a lot of free content out there as well. And you actually implement it. Autopilot sales. Saylin, I'm so excited for you. And by the way, Saylin is one of my My List Building Bootcamp members, and she's been going through the bootcamp and implementing, creating a funnel using my freebie method that these giveaway ideas will actually spark some ideas from. And I teach people how to create those leads and sales. And she got her first sale from the funnel. I'm so excited, Saylin. Congratulations. I am cheersing and drinking champagne to you, girl. All right, did you get some value out of today's episode? I truly hope that you did. And if you did, and you can think of anybody else that you know that might find value in this subject and in this topic as well, smash the share button, get it out there, click the like button, give me a thumbs up, do your thing on this video. And then I'll also leave here on this video right here, if you're watching on my YouTube, I'll leave 2 other episodes for you that I have that is related to growing your business on social media that might help you. So go and check out those episodes if you want to continue watching, and I'll see you next week on Tanya Aliza TV.